My name is Muhammad Sufwan PK. I have sufficient skill in warehouse operations and procurement management. I am taking this video to await World Skills Council certificate. I have learned more about the warehouse, importance of transportation, marketing, retailing, and the relevance of international business and logistics. Our main subject, warehouse management, provides a clear understanding about the type of warehouses, its operation, selection of location, equipments used in material handling, functional areas, etc. Apart from that, it provides a thorough knowledge about how we can procure goods at the lowest price or economical way of purchasing. International business and logistics management is also worthwhile for me to know about international financial institutions, World Trade Organization and globalization, the significance of logistics and supply chain management in the present scenario has been learned through this subject. The topic converted under multimodal transportation helped me to know the pros and cons of various modes, selection of a system, the role governing law of insurance and so on. Marketing and retailing management helps a lot of get a clear picture about the scope of retailing, retail location, development of a product, pricing, and the role of marketing in the globalized world. Our main subject, warehouse management, provides a clear understanding about the type of warehouses, its operations, selection of location, equipment used in material handling,